How do we find the exact angle between two arrows in space? Today we'll discover a powerful formula that works every time. The angle between two vectors uses the dot product. The dot product is when we multiply matching components and add them together. For vectors a equals 3, 4, and b equals 1, 2, the dot product is 3 times 1 plus 4 times 2, which equals 11. The magnitude of a is the square root of 9 plus 16, which is 5. The magnitude of b is square root of 5. We substitute into our formula cos theta equals 11 divided by 5 root 5. Using a calculator, cos theta equals 0.984. Taking inverse cosine gives theta equals 10.3 degrees. That's the angle between our two vectors. Example 2 uses three-dimensional vectors. The dot product is 2 times 1, minus 1 times 1, plus 3 times negative 2, equals negative 5. The magnitudes are root 14 and root 6. So cos theta equals negative 5 over root 84, giving theta equals 123 degrees. Common mistake: students forget to divide by the magnitudes. You must include the bottom part, otherwise your answer is completely wrong. Remember, dot over mag times mag. Dot product on top, both magnitudes multiplied on the bottom, then use inverse cosine. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to master mathematics with clear explanations every time.